Welcome everyone, this is Electronic Digital Marketing. Now in today's video I'll be talking about how to upload your video on YouTube channel. Don't forget that if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and then comment below. Now in today's video I'll just be teaching you a simple way to upload your videos on YouTube channel. Now all you just need to do is hover onto youtube.com and then create your own channel. I'm not going to take you through the hack of creating a YouTube channel, but very easy. As long as you have a Gmail account, you have a YouTube account, all you just need to do is just sign up and then log in. Now all you just need to do is hover onto this plus icon here, or I'll simply go to my channel and click on your channel and then go to the same plus icon and then click on upload channel, upload video, sorry. Don't forget that if you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. It helps motivate me to create new videos. Now it is so easy for you to upload your videos on YouTube. I'll be showing you A to Z on how to upload your video, talking about your tags, talking about your description, talking about your YouTube thumbnail and how to design it and so on. This is a full tutorial on how to upload your video on YouTube. All you just need to do is create on select files, then hover onto where you want, where your video is, and click on it. Now there are things you need to do. Now you can actually see from here uploading 1%. This simply means your video is actually uploading. You can come to, this is the title where people, the description where people are going to see about your video. Let's say for instance, I'm trying to open it. Now you can see from here how to use Adobe Photoshop. This is your title, what people are going to see when they log into youtube.com. You can see from here UEFA Champions League, Real Madrid and Man versus Man City. This is your title description. So you need to have a captivating title for people to be able to click on your video. Now let's say for instance I want to put hashtag here, hashtag infographics. Sorry, not caps lock. Infographics. There's a hashtag Canva, hashtag YouTube thumbnail, now the next thing you need to do here is next you upload your YouTube thumbnail. Now from here, if you have a playlist, let's say for instance I have lots of playlists here, I'm going to choose them and you click on done. Don't forget we have not done our description. This is our description. Now because I have description copied on other videos, so please I just have to post it. Now this is a description from my other video I created and uploaded. Please you can check it out. this tutorial. Hi. Graphic pictures with a free website called Canva.com. Now let me take away this other. Now this is my description for this, because I have other videos, and now all I just need to do is click on next. Sorry, I've not put my tag. So you come to tag, scroll down, so you can say hashtag INFOGRAPHICS, hashtag Canva tutorial, adverts, images, hashtag thumbnails, and so on. Now let's say for instance you don't know how to create a YouTube thumbnail just like this one you are seeing here. All you just need to do, hover onto Canva. You can actually watch my video. I'll put the description down below. Come to YouTube thumbnail and then click on it. You'll be able to create your YouTube thumbnail for free. This is a drag and drop website. I have a lot of videos showing how you can create either picture, videos, YouTube thumbnail. Now I want to put an end screen video. I say for instance I want to pick a video. I say I want to put on this video. I want to put this video at the end, and then click on save. And don't forget here it's still uploading and it is 97%. Then let me say end card. Yes, I want to upload a video also. Then at this time, so I want to pick a different video related to this. Yeah, how to design a logo. It has finished uploading. Now it is processing. So you wait for it to process. Click on next. So you wait for it to process. Now if you use any image that is of copyright, YouTube will tell you that you will have the person who have such image or images will have a commission when you make money on YouTube. So it is not advisable to use any kind of image when you are designing your thumbnail. You go to canva.com, unsplash.com, pixabay.com and get free resource images for you to use when you are either designing or creating your blog post, article, creating your blog or website. All these websites I just mentioned are free, and so you will not be penalized by YouTube channel or any website. So waiting for it to process. So you can actually see that it is 75%. Now you can see that it is checking if there is if your video contains any copyrighted content. That means if you copy any content from somewhere else, you will be penalized. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video, to comment below. If you want me to create any other videos relating to how to create video for your ad, comment below. Now see, checking, let's create a thumbnail here. I can easily see how I did that. That is just a drag and drop until you come to share. Click on download now, and then download your image. So you can actually use it for your video. I'll be actually using this thumbnail for this video I'm actually creating now. So let's check our. Okay, all you just need to do is click on next. You can actually see no issue found. And then let it be public. If it's a private video, you don't want people to actually see it on YouTube, come to private. But I want this video to be shown on YouTube. If you want it to be set on instant premiere, this simply means you don't want it to appear immediately. You want to set a time for it. Let's say you want it to appear in next 3 days. So you set a premiere for it, and then over on to publish. And then your video will be live. All you just need to do is copy this link, and then let's see, copy it, paste it here. To take you to the video you just created, it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment below to get premium content for free. Thank you.